Oh, cute. I'm going to turn the light.
Ricky, okay, honey. I'm doing. Yes, you can. Talk to the baby. Talk to the baby.
Tristan, look, you're doing big boy things. You're sitting up all by yourself. See? Show everybody. Show everybody. Show your grandparents back in the United States.
Yes.
Missy and Mike, that you can
Missy
sit
and
up by
Mike.
yourself.
Listen.
Look at the camera.
Listen. Look at the
Can you turn your
camera.
head? Because you can hold your head up now, too. Yes,
Yes,
you can.
yes.
At only
That
1 month.
is the baby.
You can hold your head
1
up.
month now. Look at that. A wonderful baby. Today is what, Jennifer, is? Today is
1 month.
Yes.
1 month, 1 day.
Yes.
Or 2
2nd
days.
Of May.
Yeah.
Yes. And that is 9 o'clock p.m. in Paris. And this big boy is really nice. Now. Isn't it?
And see, his clothes are too small for him. He's growing so
Yes.
fast that we have to take this off because it's too small now. Yes.
Oh,
Bless you.
bless you, honey.
Bless you.
Bless you.
Say hello to all your relatives.
Say hello to everybody. Grandpa, Grandma, Missy and Michael.
And your Aunt Andrea?
Andrea?
Yes.
Dat is Jen.
And then
Die proud mom.
Great hello.
Hello.
Yes. Oh, hello.
Oh, hello, honey.
Hello.
Say hello to Andrea too.
Say hello.
Baby.
Hey, say hello. Take a look.
Tristan.
Good.
Take a look,
Look at the
Tristan.
camera. Look at your mamita.
Yes.
Look at your mamita.
Here, honey. Tristan. Tristan, honey. Yes, he's a big boy now.
He's doing big boy things.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Oh, yes. He's so beautiful, baby. Healthy and beautiful baby. Okay.
All right.
See you soon.
Say goodbye.
Say goodbye, honey.
Say goodbye. Bye.
Goodbye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, honey. Bye-bye. Say bye, honey.
Bye.
To Grandma, Grandpa. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you. Okay, finish.